In this video, I'm going to show you how I let an AI build a dropshipping store for me in just a couple of minutes using Doba Pilot. This is really cool, and it works even if you have an existing dropshipping store. It doesn't matter, right? Without doing any product research, without ever listing any product manually. I could even show you how AI can build the store for you. And I tested this AI tool that literally does everything for you. And it doesn't matter whether you're just getting started, you want to build your first Shopify store, or maybe you have 10 stores and you want to build another, or maybe you have a huge store and you want to expand the catalog, right? Either way, this tool is going to do all of the hard work for you. With Doba Pilot, all of these pain points are solved immediately with their powerful AI. And we're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you Doba Pilot in action. Now, this is ai.doba.com. And literally, it's going to be just a little chat-based AI here where we deal with an AI agent that's going to do all the work, right? And the really cool thing is there's these quick helpers down here to get you started, but you can literally type in anything you want over here. Just ask what you want from your dropshipping AI agent, Doba Pilot, and they're going to do all of the work. It's really powerful. It's built in to your Doba dropshipping account. And you see over here some quick helpers. I'll show you a quick little demo over here. But again, all you need to do is sign up for Doba, use them for drop shipping, which I highly recommend, and then you'll get full access to Doba Pilot. Doba is by far the #1 way to build your dream drop shipping business, and now it's fully AI powered with Doba Pilot. And I've been using Doba for a long time. So many of my students are having huge success with Doba. Highly recommended, not just for Doba Pilot, but they have tons and tons. 90% of their products are based in the US. So you're going to get fast drop shipping, fast shipping times, great prices, great support. There are so many businesses making tons of money with Doba drop shipping. I'm over here at ai.doba.com. I'm inside of Doba Pilot, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. We're going to start from scratch and have AI build an entire store. Doba Pilot's going to do it all for us. We're going to come right over here to store build and create a new Shopify store for me to start my drop shipping business. The most simple prompt and conversational starter that you could have, right? Imagine that you're literally starting with nothing. Come over here, we're starting this new conversation. So again, AI agent, Doba Pilot, understanding what we're asking. I understand you want to launch your dropshipping business with Shopify, okay? Before getting started, it's going to basically ask us to connect our store to go and get set up. Come over here and say, we don't have a store yet. And then it's going to go again, okay, well, if you don't have a store, that's totally fine. They're going to get the new Shopify store set up. And watch how powerful this is. Starts asking us, what is going to be our niche and style? And I'll go with pets. And we could pick a color scheme, and I'll go with blue. And we could pick a store banner that's relevant to pets. I'll go with this one, right? We're not just setting up here. We're creating a brand. We're creating a color scheme. We're creating a niche. We're building a store inside of a very specific category over here, right? It's that simple. Step 2 over here, we're going to set up our free Shopify trial. Really easy to do this. Just click Start Your Free Shopify Trial. Enter in your email address, walk through everything, and basically for a 3-day trial, you'll have your entire store set up with Doba Pilot. Now that I've signed up for Shopify and set up my trial over here, I can come over and click Install Now, and it's going to bring us directly into the Shopify App Store page where we go ahead and press Install. This brings us back into our Shopify store where we simply click Install to grant permission for Doba to install the app. And just like that, we have our store connected, and really now we're able to go on into the next step over here, because when we have the store connected, we basically have the AI agents ready to go. All we need to do now is quickly set up our store design, and they're asking for our Shopify store URL. So I'll come over here to my demo store and I'll grab this and I'll put this back in right over here, and I'll say build your store with AI. And now again, it's connected. The AI agent has full access because we've installed the app here, right? We've gone step by step. Everything is now going to be created, right? Even if you didn't have a store, it doesn't matter. The store can be created directly through Doba Pilot. It really just took a couple seconds and it's done. That's how powerful it is. This is what we started with. Right, this is just what you get when you sign up. And I'm going to reload this, and you see immediately we have Shop Our Curated New Arrivals. Welcome to our store header. We have a pet banner over here. We have the color scheme that we have set up. We have different areas, for example, our core values and our product curated sections. Literally everything set up in just a couple of seconds. I mean, it's that powerful. You don't even need to lift a finger. You don't even need to go into Shopify. It does it all for you. And now you're ready to, do more with the AI agent. So now that you're connected, whether it's through a brand new store that Doba Pilot builds for you or connecting to your existing store, you're ready to do all of the different actions that the AI agent can do. We could very easily do any of these quick helpers. So again, we see find trending home storage or smart sourcing. And if you click try a similar ask, basically it's going to come over here and give us the ability to edit this, right? Maybe we don't care about trending home products because we want trending cat products, right? And list them directly to our store. All right, this is what we're talking about. Literally doing not only just finding the products, but listing them to the store. And how about we be a little bit more specific? We could say find 3 trending cat products and add them into the store. And you're going to see we're just now having a conversation with our AI agent. And it didn't just say, okay, these are the 3 best products out there. It's now going to allow us to select which ones we want. If let's say we don't want one. Let's say we don't want any low ticket product. We're only going to go with the higher ones. Select those 2, confirm selection, and continue task. So it says, I understand that you wanted to find 3 trending cat products. Here are those 3 products. Select which ones you want. I've selected those 2, and you see that my store is listed. So all you need to do, you just select your store, and then you can come over here and set up your pricing rules. So we could do a 1.2 multiplier, or we could do a 2 multiplier. You could even set your compare at price. So I'm going to do a 2x multiplier over here. Here we'll do a 3x multiplier. This is what you're selling it for. This is what the compare at price is if you use that in your store, and definitely want to include shipping fee so it considers the full amount. Basically, this is saying that it's taking the price and multiplying it by 2. Right, so if it costs you $20 to source it, you're going to sell it for $40. And remember, they're not just finding the products, they're adding these into the store, all connected through Doba Dropshipping. So when someone orders these products, they'll automatically be fulfilled. We can keep our original product titles or descriptions. I'm going to come over here and optimize the titles and descriptions and let the AI create optimized titles and descriptions for all the products. Right, I can keep original if I want, but I'd rather just have AI do it because they're going to understand not only what converts best, but what works for my store. So we're going to continue the task over here, and you see what's happening is basically listing 2 products to Shopify. We selected these 2 products. I never did any product research. I didn't look into really any detail or spend any time sourcing them. But the sourcing happens immediately, right? It's really, really easy for the sourcing to happen with Doba Pilot because it's directly integrated with Doba Dropshipping. Just hundreds and hundreds of thousands of products, and tons of them ship from the U.S. So you're always going to get that fast shipping time, those really high quality products, and it always comes with great imagery as well, you'll see, as this is done. And it just takes a couple of minutes, depending on how many products you have over here. And when this is done, I'll be able to jump back into my store. So I'm going to come back over here into the store, and you literally see them added right here. And we did that AI optimization for product title and product description. I'll show you this product live right on my store. Here you go. You see the pricing over here. It was set to 3x the cost. This is 2x the cost. So basically we're making $45 in profit margin every single time we sell it. AI generated product description and highlights over here. And you see it's not just a couple of lines, lots of great detail. And what I love about Doba is they always have amazing product imagery, right? All of this great product imagery connected to my store automatically, right? I didn't have to spend hours doing product research. I didn't have to save all these images. I didn't have to spend time copywriting descriptions or editing images and adding text, right? All of this automatically. You saw every single step so far. It just happens with the AI. And coming over here, take a look at the other product that was added. And again, these are the exact products that we had in this conversation, right? This little cat box house and this cat tree. Here we got it over here again. You see the pricing set automatically. You see the great imagery. You see the really in-depth product description with really great images all the way top to bottom. I mean, this isn't something that you'd be able to do in just a few minutes. This could be an entire weekend's worth of work. You just saw it in a couple of seconds being done with Doba Pilot. And we're just scratching the surface in terms of the ability that this AI agent has, because it's the first AI agent built specifically for dropshipping. So that was Doba Pilot. As you saw, incredibly powerful. I mean, it couldn't be any easier. All you need to do is just interact with the chatbot here. You could use the quick helpers, or you could just type in exactly what you want. This is included in your Doba dropshipping account. You could jump right in. You see the link directly below this video. Highly, highly recommended. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. But otherwise, I hope you make a ton of money with Doba Pilot,